Once in a small village by a clear lake, a white swan worked day and night to protect her nest. One chilly morning, she spotted a fox lying in the mud, leg twisted, eyes shut tight. She hovered nearby and, feeling pity, caught a fish and dropped it near his muzzle. The fox ate silently, but as soon as he did, the swan's peaceful world began to crack. Every morning, while the world was dark, the swan flew across the reed beds, finding new sticks to weave into her nest. When storms battered the banks, she spent hours patching a gap, feathers soaked and heart racing. Her eggs were her life. But as days passed, she noticed the fox always watching, eyes open a little more, ears flicking, not as weak as he first seemed. One morning, the old owl glided down, landing on a branch just over the nest. He fixed both of them with his wide yellow eyes and said, "Not everything in pain is helpless. Some wait for you to look away before they move." The swan wanted to believe in her own kindness. "He can't hurt anyone. He's suffering." The owl didn't argue. He just blinked, turned, and vanished into the branches. For days, the swan brought food to the fox. For days, she let herself believe she was saving him. But each night, she woke to strange sounds, soft steps near her eggs, cold wind swirling. One evening, she startled to see the fox testing his leg, not limping at all, but tensing, strong. He saw her, froze, and in that frozen moment, the swan almost asked, "Can you really not walk?" But the fox lowered his head and whimpered. She shook off her suspicion, telling herself, "Just nerves. He's still hurt. He needs me." Next night, the wind hit harder. The fox circled the nest, watching when he thought she was asleep. The frog tried to warn her, but the swan snapped, "He's not the danger here. Go away if you're afraid." But as the frog backed into the mud, the owl's warning echoed in her mind. She couldn't shake the fear that maybe, just maybe, she was the only one pretending anymore. Before sunrise, something was wrong. The swan woke shivering, feathers spiked. The nest felt lighter. The fox was gone. Tracks circled the nest, deep and sharp. 3 eggs, missing. One, crushed in the grass, the shell stuck to her wing. Panic seized the swan. She called out, flapping, searching the reeds. She saw only empty water and a crooked line of paw prints leading into the dark woods. Across the lake, silent and still, the owl watched her for a long time before flying away. The swan stood beside her ruined nest, shaking with rage and shame. She remembered every meal, every night she'd doubted herself, and every time she ignored the owl and the frog. Each act of kindness was nothing but a map for the fox. She saw the lesson, not because someone explained it, but because it was all that was left. The wind picked up. The only sign the fox left was a trail of broken reeds in the mud and the echo of a warning that came too late. Some creatures don't use force to take what matters. They only need your trust and your blindness. Who have you trusted, only to learn the pain was never real? Tell your story in one line below. If you know someone giving too much to a wounded friend, share this story. And subscribe for more fables that show what most people ignore until it's too late.